Welcome back everyone, this is Jens and we keep playing Kingdom Come Deliverance, which we left off in the library. Let me look up what we're gonna do. I forgot. Okay, so I need to kill Pious, get to know, find the pages, nasty habits. Oh shit. Right. What's my schedule again? 12 noon and then 4 p.m. afternoon worship. So let's wait till the worship again. Worship! Let's go worship. Go to the church. I'm running there. You see me, God? I'm here first. Oh no, I'm not. Oh, you stupid asshole. Well, you have to be here first.
This is not a good time for questions, brother.
What? It's not like everyone else is here. Just coming. Oh my god, it's 2 hours? Jesus Christ. Alright, let's just wait for 2 hours. No, I'm not. No, I'm not.
From Easter until the calends of October.
Oh shit.
When they come out from prime in the morning, let them labor at whatever is
Who are you?
necessary until about the 4th hour. And from the 4th hour until about the 6th, let them apply themselves to reading. After the 6th hour having left,
There it goes again.
or if anyone may perhaps
This time there are not even any characters I can speak to around me, really.
disturb anyone else. Let none
Nice.
be set rather early at the middle of
Is that it? Are we done? Hey you.
Praise be to Christ, brother.
Jesus Christ be praised, sir.
I'm looking for something a little unorthodox.
And what would that be exactly?
I'm looking for lockpicks.
Lock picks? And what would you like those for?
I'd like to practice opening locks, just for the fun of it.
Well, why not?
Haha.
So you heard
Sucker.
I used to be a burglar, did you? I put it all behind me as soon as I took the vows. But I do have a few lock picks left. I'll trade them for food. Get me a bite to eat, and you can have your lock picks. Can't say fairer than that, can I?
God damn it. How we done here? Let's steal some food for the guy. Isn't that a page? Oh yeah. Let's get some radishes. Huh. It says find what was the ruckus, but I can't seem to find anything right now. I think I should get out of here really quick. Hello, God.
Why such haste?
Why such haste? Why are you asking me? Where's that guy? Wait, Cellarius. Wait. Shit.
What do you want, brother?
No,
You
no, no,
shouldn't
I'm
be
not.
here.
I'm not doing anything, guys. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Don't put me in jail again. Oh my god. This is too stressful. Where do I go to sleep? I lost. Oh, what now?
Praise be to our Lord.
Ah, there it is.
Pay more
To
attention.
watch your
brother.
step, brother.
Do I really have to go to sleep? I kind of don't feel like it.
Pay more attention.
Lucas.
I'm Gregor, a novice. I saw you at the ceremony.
I know. It was hard not to notice you.
And you are?
Gee, thanks.
Lucas, also a novice. Don't get upset, but I don't want to talk to you. I'm happiest alone.
Will you tell me something about yourself?
There's nothing I can tell you.
I mean, where you're from, what sort of life you had before, that sort of thing.
I'm a novice, and my monastic name is Lucas. Nothing else matters.
I bet that that's the guy.
Come on. Is there really nothing at all you can tell me?
I could, but I don't want to. I'm sorry. I want to stay focused on work and prayer, not on who I once was. I never will be again. What has been isn't important for us. We cast the past aside when we walked through the
I think
monastery
he's
gates
our
and
guy.
took our oath. Never forget that.
Watch your
Okay,
step,
so maybe I should sneak
Slow
out
down.
at night or something like that.
Pay more
An-
attention, brother.
Antonius, where are you at? Oh, I'm not going there. Punish me. Are you Antonius? Stupid Lucas again. Where is everyone? Oh, right. Yodok. Siskin. Where is Antonius? Are you Antonius? Oh, yeah.
Talk to me, brother.
I need to make a confession.
I'm no priest, but tell me what you've done. It's probably nothing to worry about.
I'm here in the monastery looking for a thief. He had a hand in burning down the Neuhof stud.
You don't say. And who are you to take such an interest?
Someone whose job it is to investigate the case, find the perpetrators and make sure they get the punishment they deserve.
Punishment? Do you intend to punish them here, in the monastery?
I don't know yet. I'm still just on their trail. Perhaps you could help me find him?
The missing thief? If I knew anything, I'd tell you, but I suppose it must be one of the novices. I've only recently heard about the Neuhof incident, and all the other brethren have been here much longer than that.
I know. Aside from me, there are only 4 novices, but still, I don't know which one he could be.
3? Please, leave me out of it. And you're right that it could be any one of them. No one knows anything about Lukas. Siskin might be a lot of things, but a monk isn't one of them. And Yodok is a slimy worm. It wouldn't surprise me if he was behind that massacre. Actually, the more I think about it, the less I like that Yodok. He's a treacherous rat who'd do anything to get in someone's good books. The thought of Yodok at Neuhof sends chills up my spine.
Maybe you're right. It's not a pretty thought. Thanks for your help, and please don't say a word to anyone.
Don't fret, my friend. Your secrets are locked inside my lips.
Huh. So... what the hell do I do?
Brother. You were somewhere you shouldn't.
Oh, go f*** yourself.
I've had it.
You dare resist punishment?
Yes, brother. I'm resisting punishment. I've had it up to my...
You failed to complete your trial period as a novice.
Whoop-de-doo. What? What happened?
My God, over there! For God's sake, there! Over there! For God's sake, there! Over there!
What did he find? Alright, so let's try this. What? We are going to just sneak our way into it, into the place, and kill that guy. That's it. Why the hell is that? Why is there a reward on my head? That fucking pisses me off. I didn't even do shit. Here, arrest me. Come on, man. I'll pay the fine, whatever. You dipshit.
Hey! All right.
That's fine,
you
that's
win.
fine.
I surrender. Who the hell do you think you are? Didn't I tell you you've no business here? Well, you won't forget this in a hurry, because it'll take a nice pile of coin to fix it.
Don't mess
Enough.
with me.
What impertinence is this? Do you really want me to lose my temper?
But I was just...
Exactly. Thank you. Dipshit. Okay, guys, let's do this. We just have to go upstairs and kill that freaking dude. Oh, come on. Ah, shit. Okay, so I can drink the potion that's gonna help me be quiet. So I'll have to be quiet myself. He should be sleeping with everyone upstairs. So that's pretty much what I need to do. Go upstairs. But I need to avoid the sentries, because I think that they patrol the corridors at night, if I can recall correctly. We have to be really, really quiet. Really, really, really quiet. Damn it, that's not the guy. Where is he then? Are there 2 bedrooms? Because he doesn't seem to be in here. Ah, there he is. Oh, come on. You gonna save first? All right. Well, that was much easier than actually having to do the whole freaking routine and shit. It would took forever. And I know it's not really that entertaining to just watch me kill him after I tried and failed. But to that I say whatever. This game is all about making choices, and I've made one. And that was to take it the easy way out. Hooray! So now Where's my horse? Come here a minute. Ah, it's beautiful. But I can't see shit though. Who's that? Who are you, sir? A wayfarer. That's fine. Hook! Shh. What do you have on you, sir? Ooh, well, not that much, to be honest with you. But that's okay. You do it not for the money, but because you feel like it, right? Can't really tell where exactly am I going. Oh, there you go. La 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 la. Wait, is it on this side? Ah, feck. And that's why they say look first, do next, or whatever. God damn it. At any rate, guys, in games like these where you can't swim, you gotta consult the map as often as possible, or not as often as possible, as often as necessary. Because as you can see, I didn't do it, and what was that? Yeah, I didn't consult the map, and I couldn't cross the stupid river there, so I gotta go back now. Ain't that great? There's something here. Ooh. Dude, this stupid music starts playing every time I just crouch down or I go into somewhere. It's trespassing territory. It's kind of ridiculous. After not playing this game for I feel like almost a month or something, and coming back to it very recently, I couldn't help but notice just how tedious the game is. Like, it's just not necessarily that it's challenging because of that, but it's just like irritating, you know? Like this. What the hell this is? You know, with a constant need to save, reload, you know, people notice you even though no one sees you, and there's a fine on your head, and blah blah blah. Stupidness. Whatever. I ain't got time for that. Oh my god! Mother I pressed the wrong button again. Jesus Christ. Why can't all the games have the same controls? That'd be too much to ask for? Jesus Christ.
This looks like the place they were talking about.
Alright, let's fire it up. That is a nice and big fire, like, yes, that's like a tiny campfire.
Morning, sunshine. Hope we didn't wake you.
Kurva! Did you have to sneak up on me like thieves?
We are thieves. Besides, We had to make sure you weren't followed. Or trying to lead us into a trap. But enough of this chit-chat. Let's get down to business. We heard there was some trouble at the monastery. Question is, was it the right sort?
Oh yeah.
Did you do that job we agreed?
Do you think I'd be sitting here if I didn't do it?
How should I know? The world's full of idiots.
It's done.
You've got proof?
He had this on him.
Aye. That says alright. What did you do with the body?
I left
I
it where
left
it was.
it there.
What else could I do?
So, they lose a monk and find a corpse. How long do you reckon it'll take them to put two and two?
Hey, you. You do it next
Well,
time.
it's not like I was planning to make a career in Rome.
Fair enough. Soon it won't matter anyway.
What now?
What now? You did your job. Welcome. We need people like you.
But what do
Thanks.
you need people like me to do?
I'm just the Crimp. All I do is recruit. Now you get to go to our camp and find out everything you need to know.
Where?
Are you seriously telling me you didn't notice the camp? Not too observant, are you?
Ha!
Well, there's a hill above Sasau, and on top there's an old abandoned fort. Only it's not as abandoned as it used to be. That's where the camp is. Go there and report to a fellow by the name of Eric. Tell him Kozliak sent you.
And they'll let me in just like that?
Good point. I almost forgot. At the gate, show them the special dye you took off Pious. That's our sign.
That's all?
That's all. You'll learn everything you need to know at Vranik. And hurry up. I've got a feeling there's something being planned.
Okay, so let's report to our superiors and we'll go from there. How about that? Kinda want to kill those guys, but I'm not sure if I should. Second one down. And the third one. Alright, now I'm just gonna take their pants as a reward for my trouble at the stupid monastery. And yeah. I'll take that, I'll take that, I'll take that, I'll take that. I'll take your stupid pants, and I'll take your gloves. Thank you. Next one. Alright, well, we reckoned with these guys. Let's report to our superiors and see what they have to say. Alright, alright. Oh, attack on the road. Yeah, yeah.
Aye, te escucho.
Wait, what? You gonna kick my ass? Very unlikely. Ha! Are you dead? Up! There goes my second guy. Snake up on him. Bam! 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 And they're all dead. That's really all it takes. I'll take your stupid hat, your boots, your van braces, and your gloves. Stupid humans. Where's my horse? Alright, take me away. Alright guys, we're in Ratai. Let's go talk to our bosses.
Sir, I have news, and I'm sorry to say it's nothing good.
After everything that's happened, you have even worse news. That's almost impressive.
I'm afraid so. It's going to happen again, and on an even bigger scale.
You're full of good cheer, aren't you? What exactly will happen?
It seems the Pribyslavitz encampment was just the start, and they're far from defeated.
How did you find out?
I found a recruiting agent who works for them, and let him recruit me.
Ah, God's holy hat. You never cease to surprise me, lad.
And what did you find out?
They have another much bigger encampment in Vranyik near to Sasau.
What do those bastards want? And who the hell are they?
To hurt us? Conquer the region? I'm not sure yet, but I can find out.
How?
I'm one of them now. I have their secret sign. I know where their camp is. All I have to do is go and take a look.
That's out of the question. It's too risky.
Sire, compared to everything I went through to get this, it will be child's play. I already passed their test. They trust me.
Then we'll have to attack them before things get out of hand. Ideally, right now, when they're not expecting us. Once we catch that mangy little shit, we can ask him nicely what he wants. But then again, before we attack, it's useful to have a spy go and scout out how many of them there are and what they're up to.
I don't want you to take any unnecessary risks.
It's much less risky than our raid on Pribyslavitz.
All right then, Hal. Go there and find out how many of them there are, and what their plans are, whatever you can. But don't stick your neck out too far.
Yes, sir.
Godspeed, lad.
Yay! We are accepted by our superiors. Yay! Yeah. Oh, I am. At any rate, guys, this is probably what I'm gonna end this episode. I need to go take a bath and sell all my loot, and then I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed this. Bye bye.